27. Useful tip: match frame. When you're editing a sequence and you want to reveal more of the clip than you have in the sequence, hit the match frame key, which will be the letter F. If match frame isn't working, check to make sure you're in Keyboard Shortcuts preset, Adobe Premiere Default, or Adobe Premiere Pro CS. Why is the match frame shortcut helpful? Because instead of opening up the project bin and scrolling through to find your clip, which can eat up time, with the match frame shortcut, you'll instead instantly have a view of the clip in the source monitor, with handles showing what is in the timeline already. Quickly find the clip and scrub back to another part of the shot that you want to use, then drop it into the edit. Are you ever worried that you may have an unintended duplicate shot in your edit? Our next tip will be to show duplicate frames.